Hello YouTube. This video is about Splunk ITSI. So before we start, first of all, I would like to inform you that Splunk ITSI is a premium solution of Splunk. So you need to purchase a, extra license for that for ITSI, and you need to contact with Splunk PS for that Splunk support. So let's begin. What exactly ITSI is? So it stands for Splunk IT Service Intelligence. So we'll go to definition of it. So this is the definition. What is ITSI, or we can say introduction to ITSI? Service insight in IT service intelligence represent the mapping and the monitoring of business and technical service within your organization. Okay. The information derived from service insight help you better detect problems, simplify investigations, triage issues, and accelerate resolutions. So this is a straightforward, simple definition where we can see here it provide a mapping between business and the technical services. So business services, it's a high level which business facing is, and technical where the infrastructure comes in between. So it provide a mapping with your business service to the infrastructure, underlying infrastructure which support that business services. So this is a typical definition of it. Also, it plays around the services. So ITSI is based around the services. So services is nothing but uh, a package, or it's kind of a service where you give a request, and according to that you will get certain response. So this is called a service. So request and response. So we'll go in deep in our future video. So stay tuned with me. So within ITSI, a service is a set of interconnected applications and hosts that are configured to offer a specific service to organization. Service can be internal, it can be internal or can be external. Like if it's internal, so there is for example, uh, like an organization email system or customer facing. If it's a customer facing, so like an organization website. So website is one of the service which we provide to customer. Now, for example, creating financial report through a web based application requires a computer, okay, web server, application server, database, middleware, and a technical and a network infrastructure. So these applications and host are all configured to offer a service to financial reporting. So these all are, so in ITSI we all merge this together and support the service. So how your financial service will look like through underlying, if through that we can find which business service is affecting the infrastructure, or which infrastructure affecting which business service. So like this we can determine. So IT service insight help you map these services depending dependency based on connection between device and application. So this top-down mapping functionally help you immediately see the impact of a problematic object on the rest of the service operations. So this is a typical definition of it. Let's see how it works. Means how can he achieve that? So like I previously mentioned that it's a premium solution, so you need to install ITSI on Splunk. So like I also ITSI uses the platform fundamentals, search, reporting, and everything. So it leverages the Splunk fundamentals. Like we can see through diagram. So this is our inputs. We get the input in Splunk. So this is our typical Splunk where can be multiple forwarders and everything can be there. Now we install ITSI on top of a Splunk. So generally ITSI will install on search it component, not other components. So it has some additional component which can go to other components as well. So but the search it interface where we create a dashboard, create correlation searches and everything which sits on the search it. So you need to install, you need to take a license from Splunk support and install it on the search it. Now what it gives, it will give you a service analyzer where you can see the gist or the summary of your services, what all services you have configured. So you can see colorful services and you can click and drill down. This upper layer is your business services and it will show top 100 or top 50 KPIs regarding this. So it's a combination of business service and KPIs. So we will go in deep regarding these terms. For now, for you guys, it can be a new KPI business, but KPI and business services we use all around the world. So yeah, so KPI is like we will go in definition in detail. Next one is this is one of the view in ITSI we call it as episode view, where event bunch of event merge together, a similar kind of events merge together and create a episode. So don't worry about it, I will go in detail on each and every topic of it. So next one is again it's a service analyzer, different form of view. We can call it as a tree view where it follows the top down approach. Okay, and what on the top you can see business service and then below you can see any application or any host or anything, something else. You can see it here. So you can define the services as per your need. So next one is glass table. It's a very good functionality of ITSI where you can see end-to-end flow of your organization or your business. So next one you can see it gives you a deep dive where from like for particular issue you can see how the other components are interrelated. So these you can see it's a database, then infra, then application, some KPIs or some other get triggered. So you can one by one you can select or remove and can check for that particular time what is happening in your system. Like see here you can see what is happening in my system at that particular time and which component or which part of it is causing the issue. So here you can see the KPIs and the service as well. So yeah, you can so in short you can get overall picture of your business through that. So that this can be used as a operational purpose or business view. You can call it as a business view as well. So it gives a very good insight of your organization or your business. So it can help you running your operations very smooth. Also you can integrate it through ticketing tool like Remedy, ServiceNow, or you can send an email as and when the issue happen. So like it goes through episode, like where it qualifies for a specific condition. So we create alert for that. So you can send an alert and create dashboard and everything through it. So that's it about this video. So stay tuned with me for interesting video about ITSI. Thanks for watching it.